Hi, I'm Jill Center from Technology and Language Center.
And I'm Matthew Baud from Niles Township District for Special Education.
The SMoRRES Training Program is an 8-step, evidence-based program that focuses on teaching communication partners to provide partner-augmented input on children's existing speech-generating devices, both at home and in the classroom. Each letter of the SMoRRES mnemonic refers to a component of successful PAI. For example, slow rate, model, respect and reflect, repeat, expand, and stop. In this video, we will provide a brief overview of each ingredient to successful modeling and a brief video demonstration. For additional information on the SMoRRES training program, including publications, workshops, and handouts, please visit us on the web at talcaac.com.
Now let's break down SMoRRES. The first S in SMoRRES is for slow speech rate. While pointing on the communication board or device, talk in a slow, clearly articulated manner. You can model on a child's AAC system immediately before, during, or after a spoken message. Look at how I talk and point to the device.
Let's look for groups, geography. Let's look for
The MO in SMoRRES is for model. This is where you simultaneously talk and touch symbols for key words, phrases, or sentences to provide the child with a color commentary for his or her ongoing activities and interests. We can provide the MO in two different ways. One, we can discuss what the child is hearing, seeing, doing, and feeling. In other words, provide parallel talk. Or we can talk about what we are doing as we're doing it. In other words, self-talk. Here Matt is demonstrating self-talk. He is saying what he's doing while he's doing it.
let's play our game. Oh, today I have crocodile. You know what? I don't want him to bite my.
The first R in SMoRRES is for respect and reflect. When the child communicates something through another modality, for example, they gesture, say a word approximation, or sign, we respect and honor the communication and reflect by modeling on the communication device or board a word or phrase to communicate the same thought or feeling without making the child repeat himself. Watch the child point to the bubbles. I understand that he means he wants more, so I honor his request while modeling, play more bubbles.
Oh, you're telling me let's play more bubbles.
The second R in SMoRRES is for repeat. This is where you provide multiple models of a target word within the same activity, but also using different phrases and sentences. Speech therapists call this focused stimulation. Here Matt is focusing on the word out. Watch as he says, take out twice. And then the third time he says, want out.
Out. The red dress. All right, let's take it out.
The E in SMoRRES is for expand. This is where you can repeat and rephrase adult utterances by adding elements to provide a more complete expression of intended meaning. For example, bath time, it's time for your bath. But you can also use the E in SMoRRES to build on the child's communication, adding 1 to 2 words and fixing any errors. If he or she uses 2 words such as car red, fix the order and add a word or 2. I want red car. Speech pathologists call this recasting. Notice how the child says 1 word, tummy, and I add 2 words and model tickle tummy more.
The last S in SMoRRES is for stop. This is where you provide an expectant pause before you model, during your model, or after your model to provide your child an opportunity to communicate, since that's why we're providing all of this modeling in the first place. Don't be a device hog. Notice how Matt lets the child struggle with turning on the microwave and not anticipating his needs. He waits about 10 seconds before modeling, help turn it on.
Looks like you need some. Yeah, no. Actually, turn. Let's see.
Thanks so much for attending. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us on social media. Here are all of our links. Thank you.